celebration with Jess. Yeah. I'm never sure if I'm not here, but yeah. So massive, we are actually up on an ATV right now. And we are going Blue Mountain. Well, we kind of reach, but we not reach. We're up on the mountain. You see me? Yeah. Some of Jamaica dead place road. And we so look good. Hold on. Yeah.
Nice. Alright, let me show you guys what we're seeing.
Yeah.
There you go. Look at that mountain.
Watch by the money now.
Where's that?
Yeah, great. Go back is so slow, but great.
Dirt in my eye.
Third.
Dirt in my eye. Oh, wait, look at that.
Hold on.
Alright, hold on.
Hold on. Yeah, Jess. Hang on.
Yes, sir. It's gonna be a great weekend. Bye. Alright, we got buggies behind us. Look at the green.
Yeah, man. So massive, hear me say now. And a normal chop. So massive, listen. You don't know, big up to everybody who joined the video right now. You don't know, we're on our way to Blue Mountain Top. And we're gonna go on this cabin. We're gonna just vlog the entire experience. Massive, this is just something amazing. Right now, they don't know something about rider. Look good, man. Look good. You understand we're dealing with one hand, but you don't know. Massive, just watch the journey. They're gonna start it fresh when they reach up, so you can actually get the thing the right way. See it? So just watch the journey and just see what I'm going. Blue Mountain, where I go.
Yes, sir. Outside in Jamaica in Blue Mountain. Boss bike.
Yeah. Jess.
Boss bike.
That is it.
Go on. You're
Where's
good.
that?
Where is it?
We are switch bike.
Oh, look at
Oh,
that
you mean
bike.
outside? No joke, though. Massive, that was a run a while ago. You understand? Yeah, just a small pit stop. As we there. Which part we there? We there in one place, now one part. You understand? Right on top of Blue Mountain. Watch your view. Look good. See bad rider, yeah? Oh, you mean? Yeah. Bad rider.
Why pray?
All is well.
You know it's
Oh,
bad.
I mean, I tell us the other bike I like it. Look good. A mad thing. Yes, a small pit stop and things. So we'll go actually away with the one here now. You know what I mean? Yeah. As we continue the journey, you don't know, in collaboration with Jesse, you understand? So massive, if you're not watching and subscribe to our channel, check her out, you understand? She do incredible content about Jamaica too as well. The whole vibe, our journey, our stay. And right now, we're there Blue Mountain. And we just I go take on the more rugged terrain now. You understand? The whole crew there, everybody outside. Look good. Yeah. Them something has some life on have to try to live. You understand? Look good. Wow, go on. That is it. We're there. Outside, in them place with there. Look good. But you go on business down here, so man. What kind of business you going down here, so? Soup, pot of soup in your can. Soup, pot white and pretty. Right up in the hill. Touch me, no, man.
Always I watch you.
How's I watch the thing? Look good, figure that. So we actually have a nice family in our place, you understand? Come my subscriber them family, you know. So we do it, you know. So we have a next family, so she watch the videos them. So one thing you have to go send a big up, you know. Big up to some people, you know. But big up somebody.
Big up now.
Yeah. Gala.
Big up the family, the Kowal family.
One thing you said, the Kowal family.
Kowal. Yeah.
Big up every time, man. I like Kowal massive, then big up on yourself. Blue Mountain massive, big up, man. What me say?
Outside.
That is it. Big up my teacher.
One
One respect always. Yeah, man. Why? Them live up in that paradise, you know. You understand? Them live up in that paradise. Hey, look there. People can pay for this. So good. And Woodford up your name. Yeah. Jesus, peace, man. I have to go and look a piece of land. Eh? See, I'm a G over here, so. You understand? I was way general have. They look good. See the market here right now. Don't play with them chop. Everything well organized. We are talking about the okra, we are talking about pepper, we are talking about garlic, we are talking about sweet pepper, cucumber, hot pepper, onion. But wait, I run the whole chop. Yeah, man. They have it at market. At the market there, sir. No joke, no doubt. You understand? It's a vibe. It's a vibe. How we are got you easily. Woo. Yeah.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah, we say look like a real mechanic and everything in a one, you know. Talk to me, no, man. Yeah, that is it. See it then, man.
We have 4 hours in front of us.
4 hours.
Yeah. I spotted them on the island, so stay tuned.
Figure that.
Yeah.
Amen. Let's go, man. So, we're actually up on the side. So, as you hear, we have 4 hours ahead of us to reach to the top of the mountain. You understand? So, we are vlog the whole trip. You know what I mean? Up on them place here. Look good. As the G said, everything there. So, we are trying to get our water and them thing there. Serve! Alright, she says she are forward. You understand? No joke. Me can get a room temperature water, please? Yeah. You have spice bun?
Yeah, bun. Round one?
Yeah, round one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shop of everything as themselves, so. Everything. Nice. I'm Jamaica walk by. Somebody just go and vlog with up on a journey, you know? Big up. Oh, I couldn't even see you. That is it. I'm a YouTuber. Jamaica walk by. So can I get the bun too along with the water?
Never know. But again,
Yeah,
the
man.
video. See?
Yeah. You want to see it? Sit there. Say you want to see that up to yourself, not true? That is it, man. I saw you go. Yeah. The bun. Yeah, man. So I beg you subscribe to the channel to Jamaica walk by. See?
I can't tell them what this place.
You want to tell them? Tell them, man. Tell them about the place.
No, you want to tell them. I'm shy.
You're shy as the camera. Tell them, man. Anything when you don't tell me a while ago, just say it, man. Yeah. Which part we there? Which part we there right now?
Alright, you're the St. Andrew.
Yeah.
Actually, bar and grill. So you have a bar.
Yeah.
You ever got video when time you say?
Yeah, man. Just start, man. Because we are going on the
shop
two.
right here.
Yeah, mad thing.
It's Betsy shop. I have a bar around here, so.
Mad.
So it's a bar and shop lounge with sound. So you call King Charlie Sound and Bar.
Oh, I want to
So
sell
you can
everything.
find you can find everything all inclusive. So you can find that St. Andrew and Cambridge Prior right at the stop.
But hey, you see how you go on good?
St. Andrew. St. Andrew, Cambridge Prior. You can find right here as you come up with the bus. The bus will reach right in the center.
Mad thing. Big up yourself,
So-
my friend. Hey, what you got, man?
Yeah, cool.
So-
Water.
Yeah, I got the bun too.
All one.
Yeah. So we're there. You're here, right at Cambridge, you there.
Okay.
Cambridge.
What you do?
Jess. You understand?
Hey.
Come through, Jess.
What you do?
You can finally hear you now.
Eh?
You understand? So Massive you can hear you now. So this is Jess Massive. All of you don't know her.
Hi,
You're actually from Australia.
Yeah, man.
See it there? I
Yes,
talk like
sir.
she's Jamaican.
From
but
Australia. Yeah, good, mate. Oh. What's going on, mate? And then from Wagwan.
Yeah, learn. Yeah. So massive should do interesting content about Jamaica, you know what I mean? It seems like she been out here. The first video I see over there was like a month ago. Tell me the cost of the two of them.
200 and 100.
That's 3 bills. Alright. Collect my friend.
How much money you choose?
Jamaica walk by.
Wait, let me start, man.
Yeah, man. Right away. Straight away. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. And this is Jess.
Yeah? Bless up Jesse.
Yeah, bless up Jess.
Even shove any calcium.
Big up yourself, Chef.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Yeah, massive. So we're there. So come bless up Jess.
Yes.
Jess shorter still, but yeah, so massive I was saying that she does do some very interesting content about Jamaica. You know what I mean? Our first upload me see was like a month ago and she
Yeah?
been going crazy well. So that is great. So massive. Wanna jump on our thing, subscribe to our channel, check out our thing them, and you don't know. Collaboration
Subscribe.
is key, and subscribe. And make sure so now watch you don't know nothing wrong with just press the like button. You understand? If you want to comment, just comment. And actually, you don't know. You have to be respectful in our community. You understand? That is it. No get negativity over here. We're not doing that something. See?
No,
so
sir.
that is it. As we continue and take on the vlog, we're gonna do it the right way.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
And the
man.
right way is always the one way.
Yes,
Figure
sir.
that.
Positivity, love, and respect.
Are you,
Yeah?
are you real here that?
Eh?
Are you real here?
Real what?
You're real here.
Oh, yeah,
Are
man.
you real here?
Sorry, me not understand some of your fatwa.
Yeah, I know what's I don't talk so good enough. But yeah.
But yeah, I can speak that way. I can understand a little bit.
Yeah, I mean I say if I feel you here, are you like, huh?
Eh? What I say?
But yeah, massive, we're there. Blue Mountain Road. Figure that.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reached.
So we're actually gonna take on the next leg of Blue Mountain and everybody ready? Ready up. So let's do this. Massive, remember now watch please. Subscribe to the thing and get going here. Ah, see, that is it. So let's go.
Outside, this is the vibe.
You can do it too.
Yes, sir. Get yourself to Blue Mountain. Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's go and brace it.
Alright, it's bumpy and dusty. Look at her, guys. we came from. Alright, look at this right, guys. It's rough, bumpy.
Brutal. Nice one.
Alright.
These are the right bikes, you know what I mean?
Yes.
The right bikes in the thing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Woo!
Woo!
Beautiful. Look at that.
Amazing! Crazy! Look at that view!
Hold on, I put it down low.
Wait, what? This is wagwan. That's wagwan.
Brace yourself. Ready?
Yes, sir. Distracted. Look at that. Wow. What happened now? Yes, sir.
Imagine we're in some place in some part like. Show them Kingston. Look at Kingston.
Look at that. Beautiful Kingston.
Oh my word. I personally, it's my first time seeing it from this perspective.
Yeah.
So what the people them are going with, what I deal with? You understand? Oh, not like the bike so far. What the bar? Look at that! Magic!
Look at that.
So you must see, but you can't watch it down in the start light. Make sure it's on the like 1,000 likes right now.
Yes, sir.
Come on! All of you watch right now, 1,000 likes right here. Right now, 1,000.
1,000 likes.
See? Up we go!
Let's go. Look at that. Yeah.
So right now we are going to the highest point in Jamaica.
Highest point.
Yeah, highest point in Jamaica.
Right.
So right now all of them views, them view the way I look at is like a drone. That's how high with it. You feel the temperature get cool?
Yeah. Oh yeah, kind of.
Yeah, temperature change.
Did you bring warm clothes? Is that what you said?
Yep, the highest point.
Point in Jamaica. So I will take you guys along and show you guys what I want. These are the guys behind us following. Fabian is doing a really good job of driving. Oh.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big on yourself. That's the view.
Right, nice.
Jamaica, yes, sir. Wow. Beautiful.
So what I realized again on the road is that you have some point on the road where they bank it up, so you have to go over it like a ravine type of thing, like this right here. See if I can catch it. So they do this kind of pump for don't let the water just run straight on the road, so that the water can channel off. Yeah, so I think that's a really good idea to preserve it. Yeah. Man. Tell me say you don't feel that. You don't feel cooler? You don't feel like
I do. You can feel it like in the wind, like
even though
got a
the
bit of
sun,
chill to it.
yeah, even though the sun is hot.
Look at them banana trees.
Look at that cabin over there. Pinnacle like this.
Yeah. Oh, all the way up there, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a house like right up the top of the mountain. Imagine living there, that would be amazing.
My thing is, oh, they build it. Like to get the resources.
Oh, look at that, yeah. That one right up there. Who's living there? Eh? Can they invite us?
There's a bad boy. What that? Coffee. Oh. I said, believe it's coffee. Could be. I've never seen a real coffee tree.
Never seen her what?
I've never seen a real coffee tree.
Oh,
Yeah, it looks like a coffee, yeah. Coffee, yeah.
which one?
The one with the red thing coffee.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Wild. a lot cooler now. I love that because I've been sweaty. Alright, I'm filming to take it up. Crew behind them. Bumpy! Check out the bird.
So you have to know how to really balance the
Yeah.
you know, so that you don't make it skid or you know how to match the wind. But other than we coming up here, I think the journey up here is like really nice.
Yeah.
Riding the ATV just make it even more entertaining and more adrenaline. Woo! Look at myself.
Look how high we up.
Alright?
Yeah, man. Hi! Hollywell. Alright, welcome to Hollywell. Alright, did we reach?
Not sure.
They said 4 hours. That was definitely not 4 hours. Hey. Alright. We reached.
Oh my word. Woo. Yeah, so we actually just reached a allure and I tell us the temperature is just different. You understand? It's a different vibe, it's a different energy. You know what I mean? Loads of people up here, even kids. So I guess the place is so completely family friendly. Cause as you can see, that's a teenager right there. So you know, say the thing's supposed to be safe for everybody. You know what I mean? The ride up here, the journey was just crazy. My face was probably full of dust. But yeah, we're reaching a one piece. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Today, blast of people is here. You know what I mean? And they call up here allure. Look good. Allure. Wow. It is just crazy. No joke, no doubt. So yes, massive, the journey not done yet. So we soon continue again as we look around. But me I tell you, the temperature, I normally hear some people say, yeah, the temperature is going to be like, you know, cool and thing, but it's really cool, you understand? Different from when we're down in the town part and the Kingston part, the flat. You understand? The next thing to me, hear people always say that you have to go adjust your breathing and stuff. So far it's been completely good. I don't feel any much different other than the cool temperature. But I say we don't reach the entire top yet, so we have a next other journey to go. This is like the pit stop, you know what I mean? But so far so good. We just go on and the place is beautiful, so take a look what go on.
So today
tour with our guest Jess and Jamaican Walking TV and Jazz Plus Entertainment, and of course big up our tool. Today we're going to Blue Mountain. It's going to take 3 hours. We have 3 hours. Right now we're in Hollywell, cooling out and all of that. Tomorrow morning we're going to wake up and climb the peak, and yeah, just have fun. So if you're ever interested in this kind of bike life, just remember to link Jazz Plus Entertainment. We're on Instagram, we're on YouTube, and we're on TikTok. You can find us there.
Yes, sir. Alright, I will leave the
That
link in
is
the
it.
bio.
Yeah, man. Look good. Greetings. Bless you. Man, this is beautiful though. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out what this place is all about. Let me see. Let me talk to somebody. Question though. I'm not afraid of camera? No. Alright, good, because I'm filming. I'm a YouTuber. So you just reach?
No, we've been here from morning.
Oh, from morning. So what you experienced so far? What up here is all about? Just tell me. You look like you're the brave one. Talk to me. What your experience been up here? What up here is all about so far?
Well, so far, just appreciating the flora and the fauna, and mapping. We came here just to map. So what I really appreciate is, as I said, the flora and the fauna, the animals, the trees. It's really nice to get away from the environment in the city.
Yeah.
Nice little calming experience, especially for us students. So that's why I would encourage a lot of people to come here to experience that.
Martin, where is it? Which school you go?
I'm a student at the University of the West Indies. I'm a geography student.
That is it. All of you?
Yeah.
That is it. So on just up here so cool, the temperature nice and thing. Well done. Anything you want to shout out differently? A while ago, my first time say, yo, greetings. Like me or somebody say, like, when they mimic me. So I wonder, say, I say to myself, say, them not Jamaican. Kinda ish. You remember say Jamaican have whole heap of different class, you know.
I must say we're diverse.
You understand? That is it. So a bunch of geographic student. So what's your Instagram?
I don't have.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
Wanna give it up?
Stunny.ev.
Stane.ev. What about you? She's searching for hers.
No,
She don't really
actually,
use it none at all.
It's whoisavi_.
So massive. So she's telling us all about the nature. Wanna know my style already, all about natural ambiances and stuff. That's why I'm there right now. And big up to all like beautiful ladies. If you don't know upon Jamaica walk, but beautiful ladies are always number one. Nothing else number after that no count. You understand? That is it. So you need to have an option of just one category and one number. Big up and respect. So no joke, no doubt, and stay tuned and we are gonna get this thing done. Mad thing. You know what I mean? Look good. So we are about to leave Hollywell now. The pit stop are over and thing, we just cool out a little bit, so we are head up to the peak. You understand? We still are trying to keep on joining, keep on liking as we do it like this. See? Ready? Let's go.
Yes. Of Blue Mountain. We've got the crew. Yes, sir. Bye, girls.
I will take deep for now. I go ahead and then go switch place. You understand?
Alright,
you don't get bored, right?
Yeah, man.
I don't like that thing.
Oh, why not?
So you go, man. Just go
You
and
look good.
You look
So
like it every day.
your day today, you know. Friday today, and our day.
That.
Together,
Yeah,
so just keep it safe, right?
yeah, that is it.
Alright?
Safety,
So-
word of safety, yep.
So what I know, now first, you know.
Safety. Take it nice and easy.
Hollywell massive. So the journey lies that direction and we're there upon it. You know what I mean? It's just beautiful. Machine. Love this is about. Love wow, what I think.
Girls in the back seat.
Gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view.
Alright, and we're off.
You should go feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest cloud,
Let's go.
the gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest cloud.
I wonder, I guess the road now drive come from this way where people can actually drive come here so other than the route that we took, you know? You understand, Jess?
Yeah?
So there's a next route that them drive from this way
Oh.
to come here other than driving that road back we took because you know that road is
Oh, okay. So there's like a road that you can drive up and then obviously a road that we took up.
Yeah.
Is it?
right. I tell you that there are loads of different ways to get here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like a little passenger princess.
That's the life. Hold on, good.
Yeah, and
Alright, so we shoot videos and stuff up here before. But there,
Oh, you
there's
have?
an electric charging port here.
oh yeah.
See?
So you've been up here before?
Yeah, I've
then?
been right here.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I've been
But
up
just
here
not
places.
like, have you been up higher?
No,
No.
I think this is the highest I've ever been.
Okay. And you just haven't been on like the road where you take the ATV
No,
bikes?
no, that's a different
Okay.
road.
Yeah.
So where we're going now, you're gonna see like a main road and stuff.
Okay.
See? That's a big sign, Hollywell, right
Oh,
there.
Hollywell.
Yeah. So now you see a main road here. And that's where we would drive, come up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ice covered in bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I left everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe. It's alright.
Yeah, me just have to get a high.
Wow.
Not two-wheeler. Huh? Everybody good?
Great.
Yeah, man.
But you know, it's hard, listen, you know. I going to worse now.
That is it.
Alright?
Yeah.
Man, thing. Yeah, but like him energy.
What do you mean the worst?
Yeah,
What do you mean? What's he saying? I don't understand.
Wanna get
Worst. What do you mean worst?
ruined.
Oh, the road. Alright. So he's saying that the road's gonna get worse. I mean, this is a nice road. What went before was really bumpy. So, I don't know what the worst is, but I will let you guys know.
My body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It seems like a terrible song.
In the dark we fight, you take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you're glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love, you just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
Fire makes the city looks at night. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe me. This journey will leave us. Stay with me while we leave. Stay with me while we leave. Just believe me, this stay with me.
find your way back home. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown. Don't let me drown.
We got bottles! Yes, sir!
so fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm to you, used to play with my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't practice in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay up in line? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in line, you're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger.
Guys, comfy. You look comfy.
Right now it's section.
We're there, which are your name? Section. Oh,
yeah.
welcome to section.
Yes, so let's go have a look.
Alright, welcome to section.
Goggles, so probably you put on to have them because you know the protection, she get goggles.
Oh. Welcome to section. That's what up here is the name. You know what I mean? Yeah. Ooh, look at this. Massive out there. Wow. Woo. Ya, Pak Edward.
Alright, we are continuing our journey on the way to the peak of Blue Mountain. Fabian's got some glasses. Give us a look, please.
Look at that.
Yes, sir. Alright, let's get it. Fabian's got some cool glasses on here.
I know you don't love me like you say.
click in there?
What is it?
On the 5 wheel slap. Check 5 wheel slap. Come here, you know. Here, check it out there. So like I'm on that side.
Alright, so there's like a clicking noise that's happening on our quad, so we're...
Eh? I'm not sure. Yeah, I hear one clicking. Check it out, clicking. Cling, 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 cling.
It's a tire soft. Yo, me I hear see me in that brother.
I hear that too?
Yeah. Like it's sitting there on grease.
So like the rebound move, pump up.
All good?
Now I lick it right here. And cling, 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 cling. On that side there. But this is soft too. I don't look too. And I want a soft too.
Okay, so we've just... I think my face is all dirty. You can see. Ah!
Come on, go careful.
No, this one's like it's tight.
You can see the dirt on my face. Oh my god. Look at that. We just had to stop because there was like a clicking noise on the outboard ride. But yeah, it's like dusty when we ride here, so that's why there's dirt on my face.
Yeah. Yeah, you just hear one little click, click. Yeah. That is it. So yeah, just a simple pit stop. Boy, Jesus and peace, that's so you say it's steep. Jaja, yo, mad beautiful. See some honey box down there and thing. So that's right on the hillside. Right on the hillside. So we just gotta do some like a maintenance thing on one of the bike. Yeah, you're like a clicking sound. But other than that, everything great, everything good. No joke, no doubt. So you don't know. You know, watch the far and I subscribe yet. Like, trust me. Just to see the scenery and the journey. Like, it's just amazing, bro. So all I must say them and I don't know, you can link up for that experience of that journey. The riding at the ATV them and the bikes them just incredible. The feel, the ambience, everything. We up in a Blue Mountains, just trust me. I can't find this nowhere else. Can't find it nowhere else. What a vibe. Trust me. Holy soul in my father. Yeah, man. No joke. So, stay tuned. Soon to go again. Mad thing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That is it. I enjoy so far.
Yeah, I love it.
Really nice.
I can't wait to keep exploring. Huh?
Watch your back here. Yeah. A real vehicle enough for us. That is it. So, we're there with Bless Up Jess and we're just going to enjoy the whole thing as we experience the journey.
Yes, sir.
No joke.
Come along. We're mountains this weekend, baby. Yes, sir.
Go and watch. It's a movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that? See nice, eh? Your bike.
So that watch
Yeah.
out. So that a lick.
Yeah, so I fix that now.
Yeah, that.
Where plug that?
But that look like this look like a
Metal. Is it metal?
you feel like
Steel.
That's still there.
What are you driving over?
a steel.
Come here.
I hear that say most house up here would have make out of wood and bamboo.
Where 2 points?
Little rug thing
Where
in
2
the
points?
tire.
2 points. Get find solution, yes, girlfriend.
No joke, no doubt. So what happened that probably go straight, go touch the rim or something?
No, it's a lick
On stone like when it a go round. I mean it's right round there so that happen, you know.
Come on, yo,
Which I will stop?
this is a part of it.
Damn, so see it there? It's a problem there. So we're gonna try sort it out and we're good to go again. But just, you see how them things you have to understand too. It definitely gonna just make you win. Yeah, that's what I say. Yeah, it definitely gonna just make you win. Just go through everything, just great. If I'm a buck tour, you want gear, you know what I mean? So we'll sort it out and get it right.
Yes, sir.
No joke, no doubt.
Alright, we're gonna deal with this problem and then we're gonna keep going. Keep pushing.
That is it. So Massive, we're ready to go.
Alright.
Tire fix and everything good. Back on the ATV. Let's go.
We are back on the road to Blue Mountain. Got our tire fixed. Back on the bike. Oh, look at Bumpy! baby. Hi, girl. Woo. All right.
I don't know where we are.
Another pit stop, maybe?
Yeah. I don't know where we are, but we're there one place now, one park. Touring.
Heading to another little pit stop, have a little sure.
Yeah. It was a switch ride. Yeah, enjoy yourself, what do you mean? So one thing I realized, the entire Blue Mountain actually have real water. Yeah, pipelines, everything. Nice. Look at this. The bridge, real spring. Yeah, man. Woo. Blue Mountain. Woo. Next pit stop. Yeah, man. Real.
I get it now. You reach nowhere yet, you know.
So we don't reach nowhere. I love that.
Yeah.
We say movie still a go on then, none?
Yeah, I have now.
Oh, you pick out the yard.
Why don't know? It's like a spin there. You have a spot then. Other people want to go and can't go.
See them man looking at place, man?
Yo, when I got a little small.
Eh?
Yeah, Ike.
Yeah, man, I do
You got
everything.
peak?
Everything, yes, man.
You hear what I'm saying? Listen what I'm saying?
Yes, man.
Yes, man. Big and bold. You hear what I'm saying though?
Ready. Brother, I see some female I make it. If them female I make it, me have a drive to make it. Cause me no face it, me not get me wrong, you know. Me know say some female tough, you know, bro. You understand what I say? But me know say me tough too.
You know how many hours we got left?
Me not sure, but me just three. Yeah, me just love it. We still are going. How you mean? You ready? Outside with it. Look good. Yeah, so we're currently at a shop. We're right here, so you understand? It's pretty much a mini supermarket or a mini mart. Everything in the only thing them not sell are cook food. Might as well then just turn on one kitchen and start fry some chicken. Because of everything in there, you understand? So you don't know. Buckle of water, me hold on a cornbread and then I could think them I go and baby down this on the journey. But it's surprising though that they understand say coming to Blue Mountain you think that you'll be like deserted. You know what I mean? There won't be bunch of civilized things, but the place is pretty much civilized. You can see some mansion on the hill. I talk about concrete mansion, villas. You can see pipe with running water, everything. Like just a normal community. It's just that them live on Blue Mountain. You understand? So at the first experience of me falling so deep in a Blue Mountain, so the experience has been just great. I love it. You can find a regular shop from different stretch. You can find every little thing where you need for your house and then little thing there. So it's definitely worth it, man, and we are continuing. Let's do this.
Indian. Oh. Walk on my life there. Looking at this. Yeah, we're there with the God still now. But at this moment, it's not about the God. It's about Bala. Yeah. As I'm so I make female know say every time that Bala come and kick up here and crash.
Oh him?
Every time. Either run up in the gully, run up on the side of the mountain, broken shoulder, broken finger, every time. See how that's give it tell her. Every time. See the bike where you sit down and prone to crash.
Yeah. Yeah, here.
Seriously, my lad.
No joke.
No, see him there, look at them good. See him there.
Talk good now, man.
Yo.
Say it now, man.
The man just smiling like
Confirm.
that. Talk to you. I like it.
Nah, confirm it, Papa. That have happened to them. Nah.
Ida, man. Why is it have happened to them, but ida, you go on.
You crash every time.
No, no.
Every time. Tell me one time you crash. Tell me one. You crash on over, wait. You crash on over 2 times. You crash a Black Hill.
I'm not crash up here, so.
Where?
Up here, son. I'm gonna catch up right here.
Oh, a juicy crosser. Oh, sorry, a juicy crosser.
Alright, you redeem yourself, you're lucky. I mean, that is it.
Yeah, man.
And you saving. Oh, but wait! Indian! He never crashed up here, so that's a problem now. Ah, you catch your God! He never man christened it!
Yo.
Oh God, man, he just came! That is it, man.
No.
Oh God.
Don't fall off the cliff now. Yeah, man. Wait!
Good.
Vlogging and eating. Me hungry. Look, I'm vlogging and eating.
Good to go. You got it.
Vlogging and eating skills.
Woo! Modest line. That man there drink a special Red Bull and the great white, you know? And him a drive with one hand. And it's special. No, that's right.
Yeah. The trees. Whole lot of vibes. Alright. I am filming here and eating raisin bread.
Yo, massive, I tell you, y'all really feel enjoy this, yo. Y'all know, like,
Yeah, man.
it's like a kid. What's it called? Got it?
Do it in my raisin bread. Nice. Raisin bread. Nice. Wow. It's not like we're going like fast. It's just that the roads are really bumpy, so it looks a bit chaotic, but it's all good. Oh my goodness! Alright, let me show you guys. Sorry.
What a tour this is. Wow. Yes, it is. You don't know, don't walk there. So those are willow tree, Christmas trees with them plant. You know what I mean? Look good. Like this? Oh, I don't know where we are, but as I can see, just gone ahead. So actually them plant the Christmas trees. Well, we call them Christmas tree. So we use, you know. Them actually sell these like prior to Christmas in Jamaica. You can get one of these trees to buy. You understand? Yeah man, no joke, no doubt. Crazy willow tree we call them. You know, and they can cut in a shapes and stuff. That is it. So it seems like them do the business up here. Look good. It's beautiful. You know we just a roll. Can this one? Tall. Yeah, man. Up here look really historical though. There are some buildings over here. Look at this. No joke. You know what would have nice, like a nice sitting there video shoot up this side. Look at that. We're like in the middle of the wilderness. Wow. Woo! Jess, you think there are any churches in here?
Look at that. Look at the what's in there.
Huh?
It's really cool in there.
Yeah. What's in there? This house probably been here for decades or centuries. You know?
Let's look, Auntie, let's go look.
Ancestor house, this.
Let's go look. And,
Blessings. Who can educate us as to this? Who can educate us as to this? Like, what used to went on here? And there's another one up there. So massive. You see how Jamaica just not all about cities sometimes. All about nature. Look at that. Wow. Let me just look real quick. Yo, I really implore you to try this experience. Oh man. Look at this structure. Wow. Yeah, look at some people actually who work up this side. Actually look like who work up here probably utilize that bathroom there. Look at this structure.
oh my God!
These are the complete house that we've seen in the movies.
Oh my God!
On a brave.
When you come up in a good exercise.
This is scary though.
It is scary.
Especially in the night.
It's scary! Uncle, let's
We'll
go
be
through
here
that.
another night.
Uncle,
Yeah?
let's go through that.
Oh, we?
Yeah.
Let's you go through there.
Let's look around here.
Let's go look.
Yeah. Misha, come look here. Look, Uncle.
Yo, there's water everywhere at Blue Mountain.
Look, there's someone live here. Look, look, there's someone live here.
Wow.
Auntie, Misha, look up this.
I know to know what never come up here.
Yeah, now we just pass.
Yeah, we'll just pause.
Oh, so now we just pass?
Yeah.
Look up here, beautiful.
Sometimes we stop. Sometimes we stop.
Oh, but now come up here, sir.
Yeah. There's someone living
Wow.
here. Let's go.
No, don't veer off. That's a farm. You can say that's a Christmas tree farm.
Yeah, I know.
So careful, we don't want to damage the sucker.
How beautiful.
Imagine a video shoot up here, sir, bro.
Auntie, there's a house up there.
Yeah, man. See?
Uncle,
And a well kept too.
there's a house up there.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
Where?
pretty.
Yeah, pretty.
Channel.
Yeah, I'm trying.
You're the left.
What do you mean, man? Right at the spotter. I need no fun.
In a little bit, I'm assuming that we can go here for a little bit.
With some more tree.
Look at how dirty my face is.
Nothing. Pretty much we just
A
there.
little bit. Chill for here for a little bit.
We're in a Blue Mountains Hill. And massive, we have to learn to appreciate these nature. If you smell how the air just fresh and nice and just well done. That my face must mad full of dust. Look good. Wow. Look at that. Beauty. You see how much place in Jamaica when occupied by people yet? Trust me. That's crazy. Yeah. So massive, we're still doing this movie. Yes, come in. So you can see how much places in Jamaica when occupied. And we still are going to film the movie. Yeah, massive. So it's just crazy. We're going to go and watch. You understand? So this is for everybody.
I want to know what you guys think in the comments thus far. Are you coming to the Blue Mountains or what? Yeah, let me know.
That is it. So comment in the comment section if you've ever been here before, if you know what Blue Mountain is all about, and if you ever see somebody do a journey like this. I've never seen a video like this on YouTube.
I haven't.
So I guess we can be the first together to give them something like this. So
Yeah.
massive, is just crazy. The ambience is just beautiful. And you don't know. Bless up, Jess.
Yes, sir.
That is it,
We're
man.
outside in Blue Mountains. Like, it's actually one of
Look
the
at
most beautiful places I've ever seen.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt. So the journey continues as we dive in again. See? That is it. Let's go.
That is it.
So that is it. Yeah, man. While up here, way up in the hills, we buck up on some persons who are just hiking. Yeah, I mean, which country you from?
From Russia.
You're from Russia?
Yeah.
Big up, touch it to Russia,
Thank
man.
you.
That is it. So, I asked a person a while ago, like, how far I think you guys are walking from, and he's saying that you're walking from a good distance.
Yes.
What's it?
How many miles we walk?
8.6.
8.6 miles you've been walking today?
Yes.
So, how much further are you planning on going?
Just back to
Yeah, just back to the car.
the river.
To the river?
Yeah.
Wow, man, touch it. That's
you.
crazy. Big up all Russia. You can check out the channel Jamaica Walk By.
Okay, cool.
All right?
Check.
Yeah, that's your dog? Yes. Can I get him? Look at him. Oh, it's a pit bull. No, I'm not bother. Yeah, it's a pit bull.
She doesn't know she's a pit bull.
Oh, she doesn't know that she's a pit bull. Oh, okay, damn. All right, yeah. So, nice dog. Yeah. So, the answer to my question is, this dog don't know that it's a pit bull. Yeah, so big up, respect. Thank you for being in Jamaica, you know what I mean? One love. Yeah, that is it.
Oh, so that means ain't nobody know.
Yeah, in growing pet. You know what I mean? That is it. So, journey continue. Big up all Russia massive. Beautiful. So, people forward from right across the world just to experience this adventure, this journey up by Blue Mountains. And with there, I show too, you know, live in living colors. You understand? So, you can experience it. So, you can just come and try it. So, you can just simply have fun. You don't know, link up the company. You don't know everything I got there in the description as to how you can get this travel, this trip, this package, everything in the description. See? Mad respect. That is it. Come in, a soldier. Say something.
Uncle. See yourself. Uncle.
Uncle.
Who that you seen there?
Me.
Who? Who else?
I see you, John.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't know. That is it. A little child shall lead the way. Always. Journey continue. Mad thing.
Alright, let's keep it pushing. Let's go. We're forward.
Outside again.
Outside again. Continuing on to the peak of Blue Mountain.
Taste your content, hold your breath, feel attention. Devils hide behind redemption. All the stairs, one
Over so.
Over so you run time. Where double party there? My spirit shop is something nice.
What did he say?
Yeah, where double party.
He's going to spray one of the shaft.
that
One of the shaft.
nice.
It's making noise. Yeah. So turn it off. Yeah, the journey just sweet. Super nice. Yeah, man.
Alright, we just sprayed something in the bike and now we are off again on the convoy. Let's go.
Yep.
We forward. Let's go.
So he's making us know that this side is a more dangerous part of it. So we have to be careful.
In terms of like the road.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
We just need to be careful this side of the road.
So this is something to say that we need to be more careful on this side of the road. So just want to tell you it's all about safety. Okay? Out here doing the safety thing. Alright, let's go.
We want it to be all about fun, not pain, you know?
Yeah. You can see the clouds. Yeah! Ah! Now you can understand why my face is so dirty, because all the dust.
We are right on the edge.
literally.
Like really right on the edge. You catch that?
We are right on the edge, like literally right on the edge. Look, they're over there. Can you see them in the buggy? Ah! Amazing.
Oh, sure. Good one, that.
Honestly.
For my first experience, yo, love it.
Love it.
Them road are only 18, 4-wheel drive can forward, but it's sweet to have an ATV. What the heck? Burn.
2 cameras going, baby. 2 cameras going. Whoa, look at that!
Look at this now. Wow.
It's not getting around. Yeah, don't stop really.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So we actually riding is like we're going through a community.
Yeah.
Here, but just one community when I have no road. Just be a dirt road. Right now, ear color change, face color change,
Yeah.
everything change. Look up at me hand, brown and black. You understand? So yeah, look what I want. So we're in our community right now. Breathe that. Woo!
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
here.
Yeah, man.
Like this is far from civilization. Like, to be honest.
No one's falling here.
Temperature change up here.
We are way up in the mountain. There's a whole community up here. There's like rivets.
What time is it?
What time?
5 now.
You didn't take the back? Huh?
Yeah.
Wait, what's the time?
5.
probably gonna get a video.
Oh yeah, probably. Do you want me to start recording?
No, you can still can't go out for them.
You look golden. You look golden. Let me get a video of you.
Look at me. Catch you.
Yeah.
One just plus.
One just plus. Alright, you look golden, my guy. Golden dust. Look, come close now. Woo. Wait, you can't see because it's on. Hold on, let me get off. Turn this way.
Look, color change.
Yes.
Look at that.
You're golden.
Check out that. Yeah. Bro,
Look at that.
cheese and peas. So good.
Golden.
Yeah. That
Look
is
at
it, Matthew.
eyelashes.
There again.
Body have a different color, man.
Different color. Yeah. Mad thing.
Stop. Yeah, okay. We gotta stop. We gotta stop for the jelly. Bye, jelly man. We gotta stop for the jelly. This is my little setup here. I got my fist. Now the camera in hand.
I want to see you and the jelly.
Huh?
I want to see you and the jelly coconut. Because you've been here for a while, it's supposed to use it, you know. I saw me love it too.
I love my jelly coconut.
Police station, yeah.
Police station. Mavis Bank Police Station. Shout out to them.
I can never ever find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. I can only say that it feels right.
We going the wrong way? Alright, apparently we going the wrong way.
We have to try and find out if we really go the wrong way.
Alright, let me go back to eating my crisps. I mean, my
Let's see.
plantain chips.
Alright, we'll try and find out if we're the wrong way. Oh, that means I think I tell shop enough for out to shoot, you know. You want some space? Alright, let's go.
Alright.
My thing, road again.
I'll admit it, got me feeling underdog. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. I'm shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it.
Currently going through some community.
I can see you now, when you start. I can never ever find the right words. There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
where the road come from.
Yeah. What, is it a rough road? Oh, yeah. My lungs are filled with dirt.
Oh man. joke.
Alright.
Ah,
Let's go.
what a
I
ride.
need to go to the river.
Woo. Ah, big up, Jess.
Wild. Big up yourselves.
Look at your face.
Jamaica. Look at that. Let's go wash it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Bad thing. Fully.
One bad, one judge,
That is it.
one time. Never be
Figure
like
that.
You just look at your braids.
One done being represent one judge. You know the
One
family.
jazz.
One judge. I can't remember. See you done.
Martin, look good. And my hair color change, everything. Supplies truck. Supply truck. That is it, Godfather. Right, true. Boom. A mad thing. Yeah, man. Crazy life I go on a Blue Mountains. You understand? People them still are going all a joy. Holy! Right now I'm not even sure how to upload a video. I'm just a movie. It's a movie, may I tell you, like I'm trying to show you guys the experience. So if you watch my video, if you're new here, my videos is all about the experience. You know what I mean? Look good. All about the experience, massive. You know what I mean? That's why we don't cut out nothing. So you can see exactly how your ear go stay. And all of them things that if you have it out and you want to do one journey like this, that's how you go look. You understand? Same way so you go look.
Aye.
If you want to do a journey like this.
Is it cold?
You understand? Look good. Up the stream.
It's fresh.
Eh? Mad thing. Someone said, yeah, and the experience me I said, so video might long and we not cut it out. You just see exactly what go on. You know what I mean? So I make a video long. Watch it 10 times. You know what I mean? Watch piece to that piece tomorrow. So when time you want to enjoy this with your family and your friends, you know exactly what to prepare for. You understand? That is it. We're so far again. I wash off my face. Holy. Hold them, Jess.
Look at all that dirt.
Yeah, man. What a pretty man. Eh. Crystal clear. Outside, let's go. epic.
That was
Epic.
something else.
Epic.
Yeah, man.
Epic.
Alright, we're stopped in. Where are we at?
It's the last stop.
Last stop?
Yo,
Alright.
that thing is incredible. Like it was so smooth, like nothing.
They're gonna get drive it.
Trust me, it was so smooth, like it just a glide, like nothing. It just unstoppable, bro. Woo.
Yes, sir.
Yo, we really need to get that experience, yo.
That
This
last
is
stop will be, like,
crazy.
now, traffic
Last stop.
Yeah, so, like I said, we're staying for tonight, and then tomorrow I think we'll be like exploring like a little bit of the
Big up yourself, fire.
rivers and stuff like that.
Good day. Bless up with you. Woo. Fire, we not entertain that right now. You hear that?
No, we hear it now.
Yeah, we not entertain that right now, fire. Big up yourself. That is it. Outside with it.
Alright, we live.
Yeah. Massive, I would have never known that people live all the way up here, bro.
Yeah, look at
Like,
this.
trust me.
The houses, you got the people walking on the street. What's happening up here? Oh, wait, Maru.
But the wheel was...
Stop.
Just one. Yeah, why not just straight this steer now? That's all I'm telling you.
Oh,
Turn your lock, straighten your lock, straighten your lock.
what is he stuck?
That's what I'm going to do. Yep, we're past him. Come on.
Alright. Can you hold that?
No, we can't hold it. No.
We can't. Can you hold that for a second? We almost free?
Yeah. Let's have to go there.
Alright.
You're gonna see two groundhogs.
Alright. Yeah. Go up. Well, then I go. I don't know where they went. Fabian said I was too heavy to get off because we couldn't get up the hill. Now he's gonna lift me all alone. up there. How are we supposed to get up there? Don't worry about it. Do we know them? Oh.
Hey gal.
Hey gal.
Hey gal.
Hey gal.
Hey gal. Hey gal.
Hey gal.
He just loves to help people.
Oh, is that your dad? Down there. You're helping.
Stop on. Sometimes I get my understand who said to me I'll leave that the earring.
You left me!
No, pause when I ear tied it.
Yeah. Me I say, oh, you say I had too heavy, so I get up. Then you left me all alone.
Reach what though? Did he get that? What did they do? Them do reverse go down back there?
Yeah, they can't get up. They're not four-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah, they can't angle this. Go on, try that.
We're ready.
That is it. One. Bless. Run.
Run!
Yeah. Yeah. So this is how we look when we reach up at the top of Blue Mountain, riding the ATV. Look up and lick them white. Look there, can't even lick them off. But this is the real experience. Look up me here, like a mad thing. You understand? Yeah, so we finally reach the cabin and the temperature. And sweet ride when I get come up here. You understand? Just sit down comfortably in a bad machine.
No.
Well cozy.
I wanted to drive.
You want to drive. So, massive look good. So, bro, this is actually, I have to go do the rest of this in a couple other parks. So this is actually the journey to Blue Mountain, some of the most deadliest road ever in Jamaica. We drive and do everything, even for ride a bike. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. We are going there for the entire weekend. So more than one video. These are just the journey. So big up to everybody. Big up to all my members on Jamaica Walk By. One love. Look at my lip. Be a dirt. My lungs meet like my dinner plate. You see me? Like my dinner plate I sit there. You see me? So no joke. No more to light. More to light. Yeah. So it's just crazy. Yeah, cool man. So massive thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna try to get a good beard in our river or something. I think so. Tell me what you think about the experience, the journey, come up, the drive, everything. Like a mad thing, man. A mad thing. Look at me. Can't make this up. You understand? No joke, no doubt. What Godfather then? Come here, Jay. What's your name again? Two of you. Yeah. So talk to me now. Where's it? Yeah, take away the light, man. Down with the light. Let me get back your light over here. Oh. Yeah. So, just want to tell them you don't know how it thing go. How they can reach same speed. You understand? So, you must you don't know the general response to the thing. You know what I mean? So, I tell you how you can actually get an experience like this and all of that. You see me? I said the breeze nice and thick now. We're way up in the Blue Mountain. So, I'm going to hear what I want. Talk to me.
Alright, the company is Jazz Plus Entertainment. Instagram page is Jazz_Entertainment. DM I will tell you what is what. 2 days, 3 days, 1 day, 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever you want. You can proceed. Without shoots, whatever. But with the Blue Mountain, you understand? Top of the world, top of Jamaica.
That is it.
With the garden.
That is it. We're there. One Jamaica walk by. What you mean?
Yeah,
So massive. You're here. So the Instagram, make sure you link him up at Jazz Entertainment, right?
Jazz underscore entertainment.
Jazz underscore entertainment is the Instagram name. Is it? Jazz Entertainment. You understand? So that is it. So link them up on Instagram. Chat them a DM and them just take it there. So somebody will just deal with you. As the man say 1 hour, 2 hour, 2 day, 1 day, 3 day. Just link them, find out all of the details, and that is it. Kaboom, the journey. See! Oh, you mean? A mad thing, man. So we just gonna check out the cabin and things. So blessed love, respect to everyone who stayed in and watch the entire video. That means that you love Blue Mountain, you love Jamaica country, you rate Jamaica walk by, and you believe in a bike life or ATV and basic. You see me? One love, all the time. You come all like cool, you know, man. Bad rider. You understand? You see
One Jazz Plus.
Jazz
One
Plus.
Tool.
Hot tool. Yeah. What is that? Esker! That is it. Big up every time. Man.